When the world as we know it feels like it is on the brink of total chaos, there is only one vehicle manufacturer that seems to have the perfect solution for the driveway of a survivor with a taste for high-octane luxury. Welcome back to the front lines of automotive insanity, where the team at Apocalypse Manufacturing has just pulled the silk off their latest creation, the Hellfire 2.0. This is not just a refresh or a simple trim-level update. This is a total evolution of what has become one of the most recognizable and intimidating 6x6 vehicles on the planet. Based out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Apocalypse Manufacturing has spent years carving out a niche for themselves, building machines that look like they belong on a movie set for a dystopian future, yet possess the mechanical prowess to tackle the most punishing terrain today. The original Hellfire was already a masterpiece of excess, but the 2.0 version takes everything that made the first generation a viral sensation and turns the volume up to 11. From the moment you lay eyes on the Hellfire 2.0, you realize that traditional automotive design rules have been thrown out the window in favor of pure aggressive dominance. The most striking change for the 2.0 model is the completely redesigned front fascia, which the company refers to as the Stinger. This new front end features a radical hood design that integrates seamlessly into a custom grille and bumper assembly, creating a look that is both aerodynamic in a brutalist way and undeniably terrifying in a rearview mirror. The lighting signature has also been updated, with high-intensity LED bars and custom housings that slice through the darkness, making it clear that this beast owns the night. Every inch of the exterior is finished in their signature 3-part Kevlar armor coating, which provides a tactile, rugged texture that is virtually scratch-resistant and capable of withstanding the debris of a desert storm or a suburban commute alike. Underneath the armor-plated skin, the Hellfire 2.0 remains a marvel of custom engineering. While many 6x6 conversions simply add a tag-along axle that spins freely, Apocalypse Manufacturing prides itself on a true proprietary mechanical drivetrain that sends power to all 6 wheels. This allows the Hellfire 2.0 to maintain incredible traction in deep sand, mud, or snow, making it a functional off-road tool rather than just a showpiece. To move a vehicle of this scale with authority, you need a heart that beats with massive power. The 2.0 comes standard with a variety of high-performance power plants, but the crown jewel is undoubtedly the 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 engine. Tuned to produce a staggering 800 horsepower, this engine ensures that the Hellfire 2.0 can accelerate with the urgency of a much smaller sports car, despite its massive footprint and additional axle. The sound of the supercharger whine mixing with the deep growl of the custom exhaust is enough to send chills down the spine of anyone within a 3-block radius. The engineering brilliance continues with the suspension system, which has been completely overhauled for the 2.0 iteration. It features high-travel shocks and heavy-duty components designed to soak up massive impacts while still providing a surprisingly composed ride on paved surfaces. The ground clearance is immense, allowing the Hellfire 2.0 to crawl over obstacles that would leave standard trucks high and centered. The vehicle sits on massive 38 or even 40-inch tires wrapped around custom deep-dish wheels, which further emphasize its towering stature. Despite its size, the engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the steering and braking systems are up to the task, providing the driver with a sense of control that belies the truck's monstrous dimensions. Stepping inside the Hellfire 2.0 is like entering a high-end bunker that was designed by a luxury fashion house. While the exterior screams war machine, the interior whispers total opulence. The cabin is bathed in marine-grade leather, which is hand-stitched and designed to be as durable as it is soft. You will find intricate diamond patterns on the seats and door panels, along with a center console that has been reimagined for the 2.0 model. The technology suite has also been brought into the modern era, with a massive touchscreen infotainment system that handles everything from navigation to off-road telemetry. Despite its rugged mission, the Hellfire 2.0 offers every convenience you would expect from a premium SUV, including a high-fidelity sound system, multi-zone climate control, and custom ambient lighting that can be adjusted to suit the driver's mood. It is this juxtaposition of a brutal exterior and a plush interior that makes the Apocalypse brand so compelling to high-net-worth individuals and enthusiasts around the globe.
One of the most impressive aspects of the Hellfire 2.0 is its versatility and configuration. Buyers can choose between a traditional pickup truck bed or the popular slantback design, which gives the vehicle a silhouette reminiscent of a modern stealth fighter. The slantback version features a motorized roll and lock cover that keeps your gear secure and dry regardless of the environment.
Whether you are using it to haul supplies to a remote cabin or simply making an entrance at a luxury hotel, the Hellfire 2.0 adapts to the occasion with ease. It also comes equipped with a 12,000-pound winch integrated into the front bumper, ensuring that even if you do manage to find the limits of its six-wheel drive system, you have the tools necessary to recover and keep moving forward. The market for 6x6 trucks has grown significantly in recent years, but Apocalypse Manufacturing continues to lead the pack by focusing on a balance of reliability and extreme styling. Each Hellfire 2.0 is the result of thousands of man-hours and rigorous testing to ensure that the complex drivetrain and suspension components work in perfect harmony. It is a vehicle built for those who refuse to blend in and who want the peace of mind that comes with owning the most capable machine on the road. As we look at the landscape of 2026, the Hellfire 2.0 stands as a monument to American ingenuity and the enduring love for over-the-top automotive performance. It is loud, it is heavy, it is expensive, and it is absolutely glorious in its defiance of the ordinary. In conclusion, the Apocalypse Hellfire 2.0 is more than just a truck, it is a statement of intent. It proves that even in an era of increasing electrification and downsizing, there is still a place for raw V8 power and six wheels of fury. Apocalypse Manufacturing has once again raised the bar for what a custom vehicle can be, proving that they are the undisputed kings of the 6x6 world. If you are looking for a vehicle that can survive the end of the world while keeping you in the lap of luxury, your search ends here. The Hellfire 2.0
is ready for whatever the future holds, and it looks better than ever doing it.